Levi, what did you find?
I found egg.
Wow, what are you going to do with it?
I'll do it in the basket.
Okay.
There's no egg.
Oh my gosh, another one?
There's no one on the grinder.
It was in the grinder?
Is it on there?
Wow.
It's in that.
Up top. Look at all those eggs you're finding.
I found one egg and found one egg and I found 2 eggs. That's it.
Good job, buddy.
Mom?
Put them down gently.
Gently, buddy. Gotta put them outside. I heard this anymore. That's all it's all of.
I like my scooter. I like my scooter.
Oh wow, look at that scooter.
Uncle Rabbit.
Okay.
Uncle Rabbit.
Still going to help you get it started?
Any more eggs?
Oh, are there any more eggs?
I don't know.
Uh-oh. New oven. I mean, it's still sitting there. I hope it ever eat something. I eat that.
You gonna eat this bunny? How do you know it's food?
I made the food.
Okay.
The oven made the food.
Wow.
I'm eating the food.
Oh boy.
I'm eating food.
Let's just take like a little bit. Here's-
I'm eating.
Okay.
I eat it. Mmm.
Is that yummy, Levi?
Oh my gosh.
It's about to come.
The Easter Bunny came. What did he bring you?
My new scooter and eggs.
Oh, he brought you a new scooter and hid the eggs?
Hey, Levi. Levi.
Levi, are there any more eggs?
Hey.
Do you think there's any more eggs? I think we colored a few more.
Hey, Levi. What's this?
Mmm.
What is that?
Another egg! Wow, Dylan, you have found another egg.
Wow, how often do you get chocolate at 6:45 in the morning?
Only on Easter.
Not often enough.
Whoa, there you go. Look at that. Want to do more walking? Turn it around. Oh, let's go this way. Okay. Need to turn it around again?
Come on down. Come on down. Mom's gonna go again.
Okay, I'm gonna catch you, okay? Whee! You're getting better at that. Good job.
You find an egg?
I found an egg.
You found an egg. Put it in a basket.
Open that egg.
You can open the egg? Okay.
Open it.
What's in there?
What is it? The parachute thing.
Find another one. Put it in
Put-
a basket.
Are you gonna put it in your basket, Levi? What is that?
An Easter bunny.
An Easter bunny.
Find one thing and that would be it. But that was it.
Yeah.